If your bank account is at zero or even negative in 2026, stop panicking. This video is not a get-rich-quick scheme. This is a mathematical roadmap designed to make you wealthy, for sure. I have analyzed the best financial strategies for this year, and I have distilled them down into 4 non-negotiable steps. We aren't going to waste a single second. Let's get into it. Step number 1. Stop trying to invest. You need to clean up the mess first. If you are holding credit card debt with 20 or 25% interest, investing in the stock market is a losing game. The market might give you 10% a year, but your debt is taking 20. You are mathematically losing money. Use the avalanche method. List all your debts, ignore the balance size, and attack the one with the highest interest rate first. You cannot build wealth while wearing an anchor. Step number 2. Build a fortress. You've heard that cash is trash? Ignore that. In this phase, cash is insurance. If you invest every dollar and then lose your job, you will be forced to sell your assets, likely at a loss, just to survive. That destroys compounding. Calculate your bare-bones survival number for rent, food, and bills. Multiply that by 3 months. Put this money in a high-yield savings account and pretend it doesn't exist. This buys you the psychological peace of mind to invest without panic. Step number 3. Now we invest. But don't try to find the needle in the haystack. Just buy the haystack. Data shows that 90% of professional fund managers fail to beat the S&P 500 over the long term. If they can't do it, neither can we. Adopt the 90-10 rule. 90% of your money goes into low-cost, broad-market index funds like the S&P 500. It's boring, it's automated, and it works. The remaining 10%? That's your fun money. Buy individual stocks or crypto, whatever you want. If it goes to zero, your future is still safe. Step number 4. This is the most important one. You cannot budget your way to millions if your salary is stagnant. Your investments are the snowball, but your income is the shovel. The bigger the shovel, the faster the snowball grows. Audit yourself. Identify one high-leverage skill in your industry, whether it's AI tools, data analysis, or sales. Dedicate 1 hour a day to mastering it. Your goal for 2026 is not just to save money, but to increase your primary income by at least 20%. Building wealth isn't magic. It's boring consistency. Kill high-interest debt. Save a 3-month emergency fund. Invest 90% in boring index funds. And aggressively upskill to boost your income. If you are ready to commit to this roadmap, comment, "I am ready," down below. Like the video if you found value, and I'll see you in the next one.